Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see standard 6th and subject social science in that chapter number 8, and your chapter name is The Glory of Bharatvarsha. Main 1. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. Who called the confluence of diversity of Indian culture as unity in diversity? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Rabindranath Tagore, and D. Swami Vivekanand. Answer is number B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which of the following arts is included in performing art? A. Drawing art, B. Architectural art, C. Dancing art, and D. Musical art. Answer is option C. Dancing art. Number 3. Why were Brahmin text and Aryanakas created? A. To explain the Vedas, B. For economic gain, for performing yagna, for getting education. Answer is to explain the Vedas. Number 4. What is included in the oldest religious literature of India? A. Brahmin text, B. Smritis, C. Vedas, and D. Aryanakas. Number C, option C, Vedas. Number 5. By which name was Mahabharata written by Ved Vyas initially known? A. Vedic Mahabharata, B. Kuru Sanhita, C. Vyas Sanhita, and D. Jai Sanhita. Answer is option D, Jai Sanhita. Number 6. What are considered the great text of Indian philosophy? A. Vedas, B. Upanishads, C. Brahmin text, and D. Jain text. Answer is option B, Upanishad. Number 7. What is the original text of Buddhism called? A. Agam text, B. Law text, C. Tripitak, D. The story of Aesop. Option C, Tripitak. Number 8. Which of the following epics is included in Sangam literature? A. Kirtarjuniyam, B. Swapnavasha Vadattam, C. Mritchakatikam, and D. Mani Mekhalai. Answer is option D, Mani Mekhalai. Number 9. By which name was the road on which the merchants of China used to travel, taking silk cloth of India known? A. Palaghat, B. Silk Route, C. Nathula Road, and D. Western Road. Answer is option B, Silk Route. Number 10. Which world famous painting is considered as the jewel of Indian culture? A. Padmapani, B. Natraj, C. The Pursuit of Buddha, and D. Raflila. Answer is option A, Padmapani. Number 11. Which Shiva temple was carved from a single massive rock? A. Padma Manabha, B. Kailas, C. Ellora, and D. Somnath. Answer is option C, Ellora. Number 12. Which art was developed by the confluence of the Greek and Indian style? A. Mathura art, B. Gandhar art, C. Magadhi art, and D. Greek art. Answer is option B, Gandhar art. Now see the next page. Number 13. What is the stupa of Purushpur, Peshawar constructed by Kanishka called? A. Buddha stupa, B. Kanishka stupa, C. Sahaji ki Deri, and D. Buddha ki Deri. Answer is option C, Sahaji ki Deri. Number 14. Where is the world famous Jain statue of Gomteswar located? A. Shravan Belgowda, B. Pavapuri, C. Palitana, and D. Ranakpur. Answer is option A, Shravan Belgowda. Number 15. Which great educational pilgrimage was developed in Gandhar region? A. Nalanda, B. Vallabhi, C. Vikramshila, and D. Takshashila. Answer is option D, Takshashila. Number 16. Who suggested making ash of mercury and using it as a medicine? A. Acharya Nagarjuna, B. Varamihira, C. Panini, and D. Bhagavad. Answer is option A, Acharya Nagarjuna. Number 17. In which university had students to give an entrance exam to get admission? A. Nalanda University, B. Vallabhi University, C. Taxila University, and D. Vikramshila University. Answer is option B, Vallabhi University. Number 18. Which university is located in Bengal? A. Nalanda, B. Taxila, C. Vallabhi, and D. Vikramshila. Answer is option D, Vikramshila. Number 19. Of what age are the Bift coins found? A. Kushan, B. Maurya, C. Nanda, and D. Gupta. Answer is option D, Gupta. Number 20. Which heritage of India has been unique throughout the world? A. Social, B. Cultural, C. Natural, and D. Ideological. Answer is option B, cultural. Now we will see the main two in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.